Hey friends, the letter today is K. This is a letter K. This is a letter K. This is an uppercase K. This is a lowercase k. Let's practice naming the letter. What letter is this? K. What letter is this? K. The letter K represents the K sound. K. Let's practice saying the sound of this letter. The letter K says K, K. The letter K says K. I have some things around my house that begin with the letter K. First, I can kick. Kick. With my foot. Kick starts with K, K. K. I have a key. Key starts with K, K. K. I have, this is a Kindle. Kindle. I get books on it. This is a koala. Koala starts with K. The koala is also a keychain. I can attach it to my key. We can use my Kindle to find some K's. I have a book on here called 100 Plus Knock Knock Jokes. Can you find any K's? Let's see. 100 knock knock. In the word knock, there are 2 K's. This one sounds like a normal K. K, K. But this one is silent. We can't hear it. Knock, knock, K, K. Jokes. There's a big K in jokes. K, K. Jokes. Let's read one of the knock, knock jokes. It says, knock, knock. Oh, there's a lot of K's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Knock, knock. Who's there? Carrie. K, K. Carrie. K, Carrie who? Carry out the trash. Oh my goodness. Carrie starts with K. Let's practice writing some K's. First, I will write on my paper, and then we can write in the air together. Then you can practice at home. Here's a capital K. A capital K is a big line down, little line up, little line down. Let's try again. Big line down, little line up, little line up. A lowercase a is almost the same, but the little line only comes halfway up the big line. So big line down, little line, little line. One more. Big line down, little line up, little line down. Let's practice writing some K's in the air now. Start at the top. Ready? Big line down, little line up, little line down. Let's do one more K. Start at the top. Ready? Go. Big line down, little line up, little line up, down. The last thing I want to do is make a list of some of our K words, and then you can make a list of your own K words. Remember we talked about a key? Let's write the word key. E. Key starts with a K. Let's write the word kick. K. I. Kick has 2 K's, one at the beginning K, and one at the end K. Now, let's write the word Kindle. K, I, N, D, O. Kindle. K, K. All these words start with the letter K. I hope you have a wonderful K day. Maybe you can get outside and fly a kite today, or practice your kicking. Bye.